What's up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayon araw papanoorin natin yung official teaser trailer ng isang movie na entry ng Metro Manila Film Festival 2025 at ito yung uh, Love You So Bad na produce ng tatlong malalaking movie company, Regal Films, GMA Pictures, saka ng Star Cinema. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa, papanoorin natin yung video at later ibibigay kong reaction at opinion ko on the said movie. So let's go!
Dito ka lang. Shit, Huwag mo ko iwan, please. Sige, dito lang ako.
Okay, ito yung napanood natin yung official teaser trailer ng Love You So Bad na pinagbibidahan ni Will Ashley, Dustin Yu at Bianca Tibera. So, nag-gets ko na kung bakit yung tatlong film companies ang nagsama-sama to produce this movie because yung mga talents nila under these three companies, si Bianca under Star Circle, Dustin Yu under Regal para sa movie, tapos si Will Ashley under Sparkle artist ng GMA. So yun, well, yung nakikita ko dito, pero simple lang storyline niya and very typical na love story. And yun lang, masasabi ko, masyadong typical na napuno na natin in the past. And now, ginamit ulit at para magkaroon ng entry sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Honestly, medyo talagang disappointed ako sa GMA for producing this movie para this year's Metro Manila Film Festival 2025, 'di ba? As entry. Parang 'di ba first two years, 'di ba, nung comeback nila as a producer, ang ganda, 'di ba? Yung kay Alessandra sa yung last year kay D.S. Trillo na Rainbows. I forgot the title nung kansa. Fireflies nung kay Alessandra. Parehong maganda. Well, masyadong inaccept ng mga critics, 'di ba? Multi-awarded rin, kumita rin na malaki, 'di ba? So this year parang talagang disappointing na ito yung pinush ng GMA na maging entry. Uh, and I get the reason kung bakit ito yung pinush ng GMA. It's money matters. Kasi itong tatlo is the product of Pinoy Big Brothers celebrity collab. So ito yung collab between GMA sa kanang ABS-CBN para i-produce uli yung Pinoy Big Brothers. So disappointing talaga. Pero disappointing talaga na ito yung pinush nila. Honestly, kung ang nilagay nila ditong movie is yung movie ang ginawang entry sana ng GMA, yung movie ni Barbie Fortesa, yung P77, 'di ba? Critically acclaimed yung movie na yun, galing, ang daming magandang praises dun sa acting ni Barbie doon. And even the storyline doon na unique, hindi naman totally unique, pero maganda yung how they delivered it. So I wish sana yun na lang finish nila. Lalo pa malaking artista si Barbie Fortesa. So ginawa lang sana nila itong Love You So Bad, i-release niya pre-Christmas, di ba? Para, or parang as a way bago mag-umpisa yung season 2 ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity collab edition, di ba? Ito yung sana ginagawa nila. So unfortunately sayang Ang ganda-ganda. And this is the big chance sana ni Barbie Fortesa na magkaroon ng entry sa Metro Manila Film Festival na solo niya. Because she had also in the past, I don't know kung tama yung I don't know, hindi ata siya entry. So yun, so nakakasad. I don't know, Jimmy, what happened to you? Bakit binayagan niyo to? Ito yung maging entry niya instead yung P77. Diba? Ang ganda no, ang ganda yung paggawa. And siguro mas kumita pa ng malaki. Compare nung nirelease niyo siya ng July, I think kung July, tama po, July, June, nung i-release nila itong P77. So, yeah, mas maganda sana to. Or hindi kaya yung KMG is kabilang lagi. Even though para siyang shake, rattle, and roll. Pero siyempre may tatak rin yung KMGS. And mukhang maganda rin pagkagawa ng KMGS, di ba? So ito, sayang. Miss Fortune to. Miss maling pagkakalagay. So yun. I hope sana ma-learn ng Jimmy yan. Kasi ang ganda eh. Fireflies. Green Bones. Tapos, critical acclaim yung P77. So, sana siya yung, even though yung storyline niya, hindi siya as great as yung sa Fireflies at sa Green Bones, pero at least yung itong P77 na critical acclaim, diba? Plus acting once, diba? So, yun. So, abangan natin to. So, I don't know kung magiging isa to sa mga heavy favorites sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Pero based to sa mga nakita ng listahan, ang talang pinamalakas yung kay Vice, Call Me Mother, then the rest, hindi siya ganun ka-recognizable. Kaya sayang, miss opportunity for GMA na hindi ilagay yung P77 as entry nila sa Metro Manila Film Festival instead of this one. Pero yan. Pero ito, sa tingin ko malaking hatag to kasi they have following after nung Philippine Brother may following na to. Bianca Tibera, Will Ashley sa Dustin You. So tingnan natin kung yung following nila to sa Philippine Brother ay mahatag niya dito sa Metro Manila Film Festival. So speaking of the movie, yun. So wala akong expectation dito kasi nga like I've said earlier, very typical yung storyline niya. Napanood na natin. New characters, new faces lang, and new settings, but same storyline. Same nung kay kay Vice Ganda. So, there you go. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung teaser trailer ng Love You So Bad, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo yung binigay kong opinion at reaction, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys. So, maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.